Hey, what's up, Safemoon holder? So this is the latest update of Safemoon coin, my friends. This time is very urgent and very good news, especially very good news from all holder. You can see here this time the change occur as plus 36.57% going up. Congratulations, every Safemoon holder. My brother, you can see here this time Safemoon is one of the unique coin to in a crypto market today moving up. So I think this is good news from all Safemoon holder because all cryptocurrencies as fails down. So what's the big reason, my friend? The reason is that to all fails down because this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency fails down. So please, before I start this latest news and updates so video, please subscribe this channel for latest news and update. Like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel, keep touch with us. Thank you so much for subscribing. Okay, my brother, if you could see here this time the last 1 hour, the last 4 hour chart is I already opened it, and this time change occur as plus 1.86%. I think this is very good jump, my friend. You can see here after a fails they take a jump. So as you can see here, if they go like then exactly, my friend, at the end of month they give you half US dollar, or if they cannot possible, then absolutely they give you 0.1 US dollar. But my friend, a lot of YouTubers tell you to they can hit 1 US dollar and the soon they hit 1 US dollar. I think this is a fake news, my brother. So a lot of holders also tell me to why you said us to they hit 1 US dollar. My friend, this is our expectation. You can see here this time the speed of Safemoon. If I see this type change occur and the speed of this price, then exactly, my friend, I expect this to they can easily hit it 1 US dollar just in next year and 2022. What you say? Can this is not possible? I think this is very hard. This is difficult, but not possible, not impossible, my friend. So I hope they can hit it 1 US dollar at 2022. So please, this is not a fun. I hope, my friend, they hit it. Please, if you said to they hit it, please tell me in a comment box. I special post and I do a post in a community tab to a lot of people, to how many people sell us to they can hit 1 US dollar. Therefore, you keep touch with us, subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon. Okay, my friend, let's check out the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last 1 hour. This is also very important, my friends, to know about the last 1 hour chart. Exactly, my friend, if you can see here this time in the last 1 hour chart is in positive, and congratulations, this is very good jump. You can see here plus 2.73% they're going up. So I think this is definitely very good jump. You can see here after a fails they take a jump. So this is the circulation. You can see here, my friend, if I draw this chart, then absolutely they tell you to they going up like a rocket. And this time you can see here 0.000770 US dollar as the price, but this time it's just 0.0008 US dollar. So I hope, my friend, if they hit this target, then exactly they give you 0.07 US dollar. So definitely 0.1 US dollar at the end of month. So kindly holder, Safemoon holder, this is the latest update. Please like this video, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for this type of latest updates.